Hey boys, welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend. So Bitcoin closed red on October, which is a little bit sad because I really thought it was going to be October and we were going to close green, and November, November open, we would just rally and our altcoins would moon. But, you know, here we are. I just got back in my PC and I'm excited to take the TA for this week, take some trades with you boys. Uh, Mind you, I just got back in my PC. I haven't looked at the market at all, so just bear with me. This is some kind of like impromptu TA, like you know, just me flowing and basically what I see on the charts. All right, so for this week, we today we actually got ISM manufacturing PMI. Tomorrow we got Jolts. Wednesday ISM services, and then I think that's it. NFP Friday. Finally, we got NFP numbers again, so we might actually have some volatility this week. All right. But before we get into our TA, boys, if you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Leave a like on this video. Help me get to 300 subscribers. And I've been uploading Bitcoin TA, altcoins, tutorials right here. So, if you want to support me, leave a like and subscribe. And then if you want to support the channel more, I have a link tree there. Basically, it takes you to all of the exchanges that I use. These are my referral links. Disclaimer, I do get some referral fees. I kick back each time you trade if you use my code or link. So, that's the best way to help out a small channel. All right, thank you. And let's get into the TA. So, first, I want to look at the weekly. I mean, this is like some kind of still in a range, like you could consider this as a range, but then you could, it's also showing weakness. We're always retesting this support down here. Each time we move down, get bought back up, but then we keep retesting this, and then the moment the bulls give up, I feel like this is going to be a fast move down. And looking at the Fibonacci, we might come down all the way right here. Let's check the volume on this on the weekly. Hold on. Wait, let me adjust. What if I don't include that? Yeah, I think that's the golden pocket, right? That has to be the golden pocket. Yeah, so I feel like we could come all the way down to 94K golden pocket. But, looking at monthly, close bearish move down, no wick, slight wick on the upside. So a lot of things could still happen on November. One tweet from Trump or any catalyst news, this could just blast through. But then again, we get some bearish news, this could just drop really, really hard. So I am honestly, I'm pretty neutral. Fresh month, we're taking it slow. So this is what we got here. Basically, we're retesting support. If we lose this, we keep retesting and the bulls give up, probably kind of come down and probably take these lows on a higher time frame. So, that's it. What like my bias is, because we do have some highs up here. Let me see. Yeah, we do have some highs up here, but I doubt we're gonna come back up there. It's looking really weak. But Michael Saylor, they bought more Bitcoin today. So, you treat this as a range, like what I said. You pull the point of control. So we are currently bouncing from a high volume node right here. And we also have some support right here. So we might actually get some traction up there. All right, so let me go down to the low time frame. Ooh, we actually have some levels. Let me take this out now, since They're gone. I actually have two levels here. I forgot about this. Let me move them. So let me remove that. I wonder what these levels were, but let's look at these levels. I think I have a daily probably right here for the volume on this. No, that's not it. But let's wait for my indicators to load. Let me actually check levels. Oh yeah, we got a daily and a weekly right here. So like what I said, if we probably lose previous week low, we're gonna come down. This is also the previous month low. I'm not sure if we're gonna SFP. So I'm just gonna put this as like a point of interest. So I'm hoping we get some reaction right here. But if we lose this, then I think uh the best bet would be this level, this second box, to be honest. So of that's only have I have for longs. I don't really want to long here because we already bounced. If I was maybe at the PC, could have longed this, but pretty risky in my opinion. Monday just started, so you got to take it slow. All right, so for shorts, let's play onto some shorts today. Um, okay, I already know what I want to play with. This would be like a really good short in my opinion. This one, short box. I think this would be like a really good short, and then probably this one, and then you could try this, even the monthly open. To be honest, wow, we got a lot of shorts right here. I wonder where the VWAP is. Let me just fix my VWAP first. I want to turn that into a red and reduce the color. Oh, we are above VWAP, but I feel like this will be some solid shorts point of interest. Uh, you have the point of control of basically the whole massive range, right? Plus previous week equilibrium, previous day high, and then below that you got the daily open, monthly open, previous day EQ, previous day open, and then right here you also have previous day low and monthly open. To be honest, let's check the volume on this. Move down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think this anywhere honestly here like would be a solid short in my opinion. If we're really short bias. So plus we got NFP this week. So those are my shorts. Let's look at the yeah. These are like solid local trades, and then for that yeah, also 786. You could also play this, to be honest. 618. Let's check this move. Where's the POC? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty close, I'd say. It's pretty close right here. We could play this as well, to be honest. Yeah, I think this will be like some really solid shorts. Let me just group them. All right, so these are probably my shorts. Like this will be make it or break it level for Bitcoin. And I think I have yeah, these were like our shorts last week that we didn't get. Oh, so I'm just gonna, I don't know if they're still valid. I might have to revisit why I put them there because I forgot what were the levels there, but I think this will be like some great shorts, to be honest. And then for longs, wait, let me just group them. What is group three? Oh, okay. So group three is the shorts. Uh, let me put them inside there. So I don't have group three. Group four would be the probably the longs, right? Yeah. Yeah. This be some solid shorts. Still got some naked daily point of control. Do we have some? Yeah, the 786. Oh my god, this would be like a really good short, in my opinion. Naked daily point of control. Where is my levels? And then you also have one here. It's not probably not done yet. All right. Yeah, I think these are my levels. I think these are pretty solid levels, I would say. All right. So that is it for this video, boys. Pretty neutral, but playing more on the short bias, to be honest, just the way how the monthly is looking. What's the equilibrium of this monthly? Oh, so the equilibrium is also at the 786. So that will be like a really, really good short. Okay. All right. So, and then I think I might have to delete, honestly, the ones above this ones. I might have to delete them and then just revisit as we go. All right. So that is it for this video, boys. I'm just going to mark it out so you guys can see the exact point of interest. Hold on. That's a lot of shorts. We did some pretty good trades last week, but I kind of gave away most of the profits from the dump because I didn't close much because I want, I was expecting for a breakout of this internal range. And this was like, I wanted to short here, but a little bit on, a little higher from the point of control. But, it's too late now. And we just have to play what we got. All right. So there you go. Thank you boys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.